guys, how are you all doing? This is Toy Dr. Daniel and Toy Dr. Trainee Aja. And today we have something very special planned with a very special guest.
Hi guys, I'm Elf Mama from Itsy Bitsy Craftsy. We're doing a DIY Christmas craft today, and my mom has cut out 2 Christmas trees.
So what are you guys waiting for? Let's get started! Yay! After painting it, let it dry, and then put it together like this.
Next step is to decorate it.
Woohoo! Voila! Our Christmas trees are done.
Before you go, we have a giveaway.
If you guys want to win a Christmas toy like this, don't forget to follow the instructions below.
Don't forget to follow Activity Classy on Insta and YouTube.
Hey, wait a minute. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toy Dr. Daniel on YouTube, Insta, and Facebook. Bye-bye.